I'm a new page, my friend. Try to get some followers. This is my double tap Instagram. Got it. Next one, black till. So my friend, go back at TK Maxx.
Let me have people over here, you know.
Then we build up, tell them share the live.
Mm-hmm.
My too, baby. I wanna share the live. Tell them that the Queen is alive. Yeah. That is it. Tell them the Queenie there with her pretty face and I get prettier. So they must come live. Queen Wave. Fuck up with your show happen. I'm teen Saturday birthday, girl. How's the Christmas settings? I was just thinking about you around 10 minutes ago. I remember that thing about her. Said something I remember about you. All the kids. I want to share the live and tell them, says, Bella out my face. They must come watch. Last right this Sunday. Wow. I want this.
Ring light.
What a ring light.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever better feel, that better feel?
Yeah. That's it.
Ladies, you know, every little thing we go, we have to treat ourselves and beautify ourselves to another beauty. Once the Christmas are come, share the live over at Bella TikTok, please, and thanks. How much on it over there? All I know that they share the live. Zero somebody? Me bumble. Oh! 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 Ho, 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 ho. Them banana me pa me too TikTok. Them banana me pa me Instagram. Go to me have a double tap page. I'm not go like a me stopping from self front. Go man. I'm not go like me burn on the front for self. Front for Christmas. I know me not sell none yet. Look like I trust the one, trust out the front and consignment it. front for Christmas. Lady, if you don't want a makeover, if you don't want glam look, simple look, anything goes. Better have it all. Very professionally done. Don't sit down and don't out to no money in food. And have to put little image in it now and then. I agree, food is the staff of life, but your image take you a long way. I want to say, I'm going to put it in my tongue ring a while ago, then I'm going to get this way. Whoa! Front! All who have one front. But yeah, want somebody over here, so somebody say hi. Hi, Queen Bee, Queen Wave.
I'm a home sister.
Queen of all. Andrea, that?
Yeah.
Hi, Andrea, darling. Andrea, not do about no hairstyle for me. Last time she get me ear good and nice. Girl power, queen power. Andrea, share the live. Happy Friday. How would that tell me happy Friday? Fuck that Friday. Number one wife you want.
She said hi, Queen.
Hey, how are you, though? May I look for designer body? All them may I look for ta. More no designer body no send for me. I remember them, no remember me or what? All who don't want to look like monkey that. Queen the baby self. Me nah lie, the self pussy video nice. Front. Maybe if me just say pussy to the so sweet, I show me the pan. Front. Who are front? Daring. Why if you want, you done a Christmas present them already? Me nah buy a solar thing. Escada the last pitney me have him at 22. But Trim big and full. And him have special needs and all of the needs them. Him have to feel specialist at judgment.
Box.
First time him go to Jamaica when him a 10. And my mother give him one present. And I say, I know him cause you will never spend a Christmas in Jamaica. Because them Christmas celebration is not good enough. And a one present him get. And it scare him until today, dear.
Oh my days.
So, you might forget Wally present. With Escada now, you can wrap 2 socks game, 1 pajama, 1 little teacup. He's so appreciative. So you don't have to worry yourself. You can't take like, hey, one time I get one gift, you know. One big Valentine's gift, you know. I said, I cut down the gift, I get London one out there, I get SQ one. I said, that was so funny. I said, I get London for her own, and she go like, she don't want to just take it and give back somebody. So I wrap for Valentine. So when I go to Escada now, I go get him one pajama, wrap that. Because I'm like him like a Christmas decoration. And then get him on like a robe.
Who them here?
No, them want to play a match. Don't mind them. I'm going to share the live. I'm going to go over Bella and go. All who them on my something. Who them here? But 11 people may have over too. Hungry Belly. See like Hungry Belly season. I saw Hungry Belly's viewing and go on. I think this is one of the... What even says so I can't speak for others. Maybe true, I'm not doing a Christmas preparation. I got Anastasia go cock up. At them time, for them to take care of me now. For all the whole heap of years, I buy Christmas this, Christmas that. I cook 13 meat, 11 meat, this and that, macaroni and cheese, slam bam, thank you, madam. Upstairs, downstairs, and I need to sell her. Right now, hot girl, me I do. I got Bristol today. I look for some DJ Marnie. I'm coming. DJ Dr. Flex. DJ Chris Shatter. DJ Soul Sadic Movement tonight down at Bristol. Yeah, may I come? Girl, I look forward for see me. I'm not like her right outside the ear. The cock up is at 10. But it's alright. I'm tired of the blue ear. Yeah, man, I'm tired. Easily, you know, black hair keep on your long. Whenever you have the black hair, it's the color of the ear. You're gonna fight quick. My head hurt me right crazy as well. Listen. I see. Fran. I saw my friend call me from America this morning. I am saying, Queenie, me never see that video there. Why you never seen it? Come give me and laugh, you know? Not one of them not getting a front for buy. Me say me laugh, me say you know me. Say you not sell a front. You just have fun with somebody. So if you know what, you can do one song and say fun. Me laugh. Man say me if you do one song and say fun. I front to people them love. I front big way and no back. Hear somebody now, I must turn on. Me say it's not turn on, me I sell a front.
Oh, it's not send back there.
Me just answer them back and say it's not turn on, me I sell, it's front. Front. Me not lie, me brave and bad na bumbuckler. Who brave like I mean? Go man, no found sell front and not talk. If me get out some put money for my front right now, me sell it. Can you sell it, you get a little change and you just shut your eyes, stop your breath. I just stay so, yeah, just make him pop. And when him pop, he say, ooh, baby, bonus. So you just flash it left, right, and center. So I say, when you're popping on, you just give them the left, right, and center. Yeah. Left, right, center. Because them pop. So in case I'm going to buy more front, encouragement, strength, labor. Right now, if I get $3 grand, I sell like a pussy. That's $500,000 Jamaican dollar. Me take $3 grand. 3 is my lucky number. So if you don't want to buy like a front, and I got to take a cousin partner money, anything you want to have save up, me selling a $3 grand, I'll do the ask. We start from £3,000. Half a million Jamaica dollar. Me not kill her now. Front, front, front. Pussy for Christmas. Me not like, me not think nobody out
You like the color? Oh, thank you. What color do you like? Her hair?
You like the colors of
like
my
the
eyes? See, I get butterfly.
Oh, thank you for the gift.
Share the live, darling. Share the live and tell them that Queenie and Bella is alive. Okay. Let's see if I get the little sun glaze there, so.
Should I get it?
Yeah, I could steer right this way better this way. Front, front, front. To God be the glory.
I don't know what you want spray, can you lash them?
So tap it then, yeah. Cover it or something. No catch over. So how was that for?
No, if I just set it so I can blend it properly.
Oh.
I don't know if I really set the foundation, but
Okay.
underneath your eye.
I want to tell Nicki Minaj, I say, aye. Oh, you know what I want to do? I want to put up a vote for all who say they want a collaboration with me and Nicki. All who say yes, press green.
Look up.
If you don't want the collaboration, press red and go and be a crab in the barrel. Who can take 2 tablets for me? My head hurt me. Can't be tight. My head do something so tight. Hey. And you must come make Bella out to the face, no man. When you not got dance and you can't find nobody, Bella is here. Have no fear. It's so she do the makeup nice. It's my birthday makeup is beautiful. I must say 6 days I have my love Queenie, you know. I say me just tidy the face at morning time and tidy the road. Would I take off the makeup? You want woman, it's a good spoil up my skin. I say lady, me have nice skin. I 100 years me I wear makeup like this and not do my skin. Leave me alone, man, and not fret me out. Some people can't see even a makeup. Much as service time, so much days.
So much days.
So my skin different. I've got queen skin. Queen skin me. Got you like my
She's
dimples?
got nice skin, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
I must say, she does.
You know how much
I've always
first
said
all
this,
is that tell me someone have nice skin?
Yeah. Careful, because I don't want the concealer to go in the lashes. Yes, I have to continue look up.
There's time in the moment after the making up. I have to shut up. As the concealer would conceal my lashes. And that's not, so I start look good looking already. Wanna share the live now? Oh, you have 9 somebody over there, Isabella.
Yeah, that pick up.
Nice. Tell them, say Queenie over here. The 9 of you, please share the live to 9 or 19. Somebody, please.
Are you
and thanks.
pregnant with twins? Or you... What?
If who pregnant? A triplet may I have if me pregnant. But I just breathe 3 times and just slam out the pit of them. So slam, bam, thank you, madam. I don't have no time for babysitting a baby now. A while ago, I see some pit now with green. Hear me now? All me if you go back down the road with baby in a push chair. It must me. A hot girl may I do.
No, yeah.
The world I wait for see me.
Is that your daughter? What, are you dying from cancer? Are these people okay?
Yeah,
No.
me are dead from it. The only difference is me not have it. Yeah, I rebuke. I mean, what them be gonna ask that?
On my TikTok.
Who them ask her?
I don't know.
It in your caca cloth.
What the hell? Is that your daughter?
Yes, it is.
These people are actually mad. I think that they say.
Share the live, I'ma tell her now. When I see 30 people over here, I'm telling you all where I go. I'm telling you how much kangaroo in my caca clot and how much crocodile in my bumbo. So if you don't want to hear share the life to 30 people, I'm telling you how much worm drop out of my nose hole. Yeah, worm like noodles. Queenie baby.
Oh, you dying from heart attack. Are you gonna get mute in any minute now? No one got time for your negativity over here. Clearly you must be dying from something. I don't understand.
Are you living by love? Are you living by love? Answer the question. Are you living by love?
Mad people.
Oh, God.
I did not say nothing here. You look nice.
I see him. Somebody says so. Thank you. You look a ras, yeah? You're a little troublemaker. And some dirty girl and rice I just don't eat. You know what is dirty girl and white rice? I bet you don't even know what's that. My foot has stretched out. My foot has... Holy age that, you know.
Do you like Jamaican food?
No, I like your food. Do you like Jamaican food? I like your food. Oh, wait, am I something I read?
No, mine's.
Oh.
No one didn't say nothing over here. Hey, Queenie.
Hi.
Somebody said mackerel. I if they know dirty girl.
Tin mackerel, alright. You don't know what time it is. Not mackerel up on the internet with her mouth like cock. Cause she always a slide her mouth like butter against sun. She ranking.
Not that mackerel.
Not that mackerel. But nobody know over my page. You know, go in, man. For somebody, as it dropped to 3, me I got hanging up. For somebody, me is not a whore. Go and get more followers. I will not tolerate for 4 only people watching me. Okay? Go and get your fucking friends and tell them that the queen is here. Have no fear. Only that share the live.
Top up my screen, guys.
Who not call to me fa? Is who that a call to me? J-U-S-T. Just something another. Why you call to me for? Send for your friend them and then you call to me after. I win. Alright, me I call back to you. Wanna miss me? So your camera pretty, sir.
Under the phone.
What phone is that?
16 Pro Max.
Is it? Okay, the quality nice. Which time want Merry Christmas when it come to one and when the bed we wake up and we want to sleep. I have headache as well. This look like one patch of mud on my face. No one. Yeah.
It's gonna blend out.
I know. So I have to keep them entertained because them love when I chat the whole part. Bing bangs, clang bam. It's not hungry, I'm hungry. It's sleep, man, sleep. Them say when you yawn is either you're hungry, you want to sleep or you want to fuck. So maybe I fuck my hand, who knows? But I do some now, but I forget some of them I can't do it with. I can't do it. Boy, I tell you, damn if you do, Queenie. Damn if you do. Can you imagine now a man have a lie down on top of me and something? Ooh, cringe. I feel like have that man there. I can't do so fat dry fuck. You have to tickling in my ears and I bite my neck and my neck back and caress me and I make something. No. Who's gonna do that? Who's there that can caress me and let me feel so warm and welcome? Floating on the bed. Think I am a witch and a broom. Hop in the hair. Flying and bloom. Who's gonna do that? Let's share the live over here, sir. But how much some of that you have for?
Where?
Am I something this one right?
This one is mine. That's yours.
So much somebody me have.
I've got 4. You've got 9.
And a fuck off. Grand day to you, Queenie. Yvette Capitala, Queen Wave, Angie Instagram. I had somebody come talk to me since I. You know why I'm going to return up? Let me tell you now why. Because I'm not sharing the stupid live. Okay. So if you don't want me to return up, I'm going to share the live. And then I won't have to be rude. Oh, I'm come scoop me up and shovel. Yeah, them a tap the screen. Tap the screen and share the live, please, and thanks. I'm not seeing a blue share, and I don't know if you share. Press the little arrow right there and share the live. And just tell them, say, if I don't share the live, them instinct, I tell them, say, me up on live. Yeah, blame out. Oh, what at so?
The eater.
The eater, I know, yeah. I melt out the makeup.
I'm going to turn it down.
Jesus.
I'm open the window?
Yeah, you can't open my window. Wow, what a heat. Fran. And I buy some pussy. If you don't know, I buy the front, buy pussy then. Nine somebody. God is good. God is great. Give God thanks to look at dirty girl and rest a while ago. It dropped well long in my stomach. I'm not sharing the life. Slam bam. You know, I'm not ramp with them. I'm not share the life, no man. I don't love ramp, so.
Pinky? Can you get the door for me, please? I think it's my delivery, Amazon.
Oh, I get 3 more people. That's nice. Gone to 12. I'm not share the life all out now. My next Instagram black, you know. Final November, then black. You know that long it black? Look like a summer band, don't. And then I get one beauty spot or so. Summer band, you know. Then I get 2 beauty spots. Remember, you know, if you know want pizza delivery or Uber Eat delivery for makeup, if you know have one function and 6 hours, I go today, yeah. Work and I check it to a jerk.
Thank you. And the lights?
Yeah, the lighting in it, the background is cringy. But when let's start get trouble started today. You see it in my background?
The lights.
But your one in a show on your
I
camera.
don't know where to show upon your one.
Let me put my camera, because your one is so nice. Alright, TikTok people, don't share the live, don't mind this. Make it see, don't make it delay. Yeah, wanna see what I got? Yeah man, share the live. Who did done my lash? I done them in Grand Cayman. Yeah, me have to add say if you not go Grand Cayman and you can't get them done over there. I may when they have to put them on back when them pick out. Cause they make me look like a summer band of them, don't they? Yeah, give me that celebrity look there. Make me look like Smarty Pitney. Oh God, my head hurt me. Ooh. So, when you want to get this look, you don't know Bella they here for Bella to no face. Tell a friend to tell a friend. When you not go a party, I want to good up, make up them. When you want to go on one date for impress them on them. Is it true, now nobody I impress? You know, I have to wait till next. No impression, just know, say. When we have a next makeup settings, we just come and make better setting. Grand wear what?
Grand
What?
wear, mama.
What that mean?
I don't know. Grand wear, we don't understand. Grand wear.
Share the live and do not talk in any parables. It's Christmas now, and if he's not buying any front or not doing any makeup, we don't want to hear nothing about no wearing nothing. What is grand wearing? What is that? You want to get one makeup done? Grand Cayman. Oh, yeah, Grand Cayman, I get it done. If you look on my Instagram page, you'll see me I promote the girl. Hello, how are you?
Oh, blush.
Okay. Hi, Bella.
I blush this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's some blush me and Bella to link up with you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Cause me and her attack, we're gonna do a girl collaboration in a
No problem.
in a January. So you're gonna do half of the face and she do half of the face.
This never happened.
Bells. In blush. Bella gonna do half her face and you do half. We need to do some little excitement for the New Year's. Yeah. And then we have the Nicki Minaj girl shoot videos for
The highlights coming through.
thank you, blush. You don't know. You have me blushing for all these years until Bella take it out and just a bell out my face, sir. Yes, sir. To the night, to the tone of collaborate in the new year when everything cool down.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. But you good do next.
Yeah, man, I'm alright. What's the deal today? What are you up to?
I got Birmingham, not Birmingham, Bristol.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in Bristol a couple weeks ago and I'm requesting my back again, so I just gonna make the best of it and just DJ Money have a birthday bashment.
Okay.
Yeah, so you know the queen I gotta go make the girl them double tap.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man. So you alright with your Christmas planning and all of that. My friend come
Doing nothing for Christmas.
Jesus
Nobody may do
Christ.
nothing, you know, see?
It may better just to say I'm glad me have my daughter where I prepare. I'm not doing that thing.
Oh, man, look so the oats. My oats up.
Jesus
Don't
Christ.
anyway, me end up.
Bella just said the same thing in a Nikki and me say me up on my daughter place. And anywhere else goes.
Yeah, man.
Those was the years where I do all of the decoration, the preparation. I have this soak overnight. I wipe down curtain, not even my curtain, them not change.
Nothing. I can't be bothered.
Yeah, man, can't be
I do
bothered.
it for the new year, but now it's like,
Yeah, that's the idea. New Year, I'm gonna new up the place. But for
and the
Christmas,
kids then big as well. Them go on money and then present.
Shoot. And Nikki, from my daughter dead, is like she got with Christmas. Because I see it to do look organizing and something. So, I have the urge and interested. So,
I understand.
yeah, man. But bless up, Nikki. I hear like my two little friend them for me now. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I will, definitely.
Yeah, babes.
My friend just come and they saw.
Oh, and the lives?
No, she just come by to do her stuff.
Okay, all right, baby.
Oh,
All the
Anessa?
best.
Anessa, she said?
Vanessa, yeah.
Oh, tell her hi.
Vanessa, hi, Vanessa.
All right, tell her to the queens.
Oh my God.
Eh?
Up on camera. I said, "Can send her Uber? She not pick up her Uber."
Yeah.
Yeah, but have to say who first.
I look a slim friend. You look a slim one?
Oh, Ella!
Yeah.
Wow, Mama Darling, remember. Double tap. Merry Christmas when it come, baby. Yeah. All right, I'm going to take care of you. Bye. Yeah. Blush girl. Mr. Nikki, one nice little picnic. Well, she's not picnic, but you know, she's nice. Years, man, Nikki are coming on. Years before me even know, so she know that part of the world that with the Jamaican bashment there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. She bad part here. She was here just before she do makeup, you know.
Okay.
You're just in shoes today. One piece of eyelashes I dropped down, you see?
Yeah, let's see it. No one talking.
I done it cool.
How's it coming along, guys? How's it coming along? How you guys liking it?
I share the video and please share the live. I make them come watch your queen and get makeup. Girl, you do the last time now.
I came on already, no?
If you don't burn it straight nose, put the makeup on it. When this a makeup, you break up. You think you wake up with it. Bellings. Yeah, the collaboration they're gonna nice in the Nikki. That is gonna be sick. I see. Not too fussy, just simple and nice. The little piece of lash out.
To come down again.
You see? Yeah.
We'll fix it.
Just drag it up. Cause now I'm gonna stay back. Cause I come right back down.
Put it in between.
Oh. But like now waste none of the lash them.
Oh. Hey, babe.
How we are, Carlton?
My friend from school. Authentic.
Hello, my friend from school. Hello, Authentic. Girl power.
She live at Birmingham.
Birmingham Bullring. Happy birthday. Merry Christmas when it comes, darling. And I share the live. I'll know me that's one blue heart. Wow, 17 of us. That's interesting. You not looking at my height. You not looking at my face. You not looking at my hair. Why you not sneaking up on me? Why? Well, hear this now. You see, if you're not going to sneak up on me, Bella, me tell you, see, because something come back and I'm here.
Let me take it out.
Yeah, man.
See, and that's going to come out now.
Maybe it will comb in. Thank you. So this is the deal. If you're going to sit there and look at my beautiful face, yeah, you have to share the live. See there again? No, you forgot to drag
You
it
gone
out.
again?
Yeah, itch now. Itch, look. Just look for it specific to unplug it. Yeah, man. Go, man. Yeah. So if you were to look at my pretty face, you have to share the taste and let someone else see the face. So what you gonna do for me and Bella by being nice, share the life. Eh!
Come look up.
So uno could have one come get in the face bell what you say. Uno must say jingle bell idiot. Eh? Bellings right through the ear and just jingle bell. And right through the ear you can get them nice makeup. You're nice. All right, later, yeah.